Hey everyone, want to add Google login to your app and make your user sign in process smoother than ever? Stick around because in just few minutes I'm going to show you how to set up a Firebase project and integrate Google login like a pro. First, let's set up our Firebase project. Head over to console.firebase.google.com. If you don't have any account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's easy and free. And then there, you need to click on Go to Console. There, you will have an option to create a project. Click on that button and then you will be redirected to another page where you need to provide a name for your project. It can be anything you want. I will be giving Aid Request app. After giving a name, you need to select a parent resource. After clicking Done, you can click on Continue. Next, you will be asked to enable Google Analytics. This is optional, but I recommend keeping it on for detailed insights about your app's usage. Select your account and click Create Project. Firebase will take a moment to do its magic. And there you go. Your Firebase project is ready to roll. Now, as our Firebase project is ready, we can start the integration process to connect our Firebase to our app. Click on this Android icon. You need to find this Android package name. You will find this name in your app level build.gradle file. Copy this name and then paste it here. After that, you just need to give your app a nickname. It is optional, you can give any name. After that, we need to provide SHA-1 key fingerprints. So we will run this command and get our SHA-1 key fingerprints. Make sure you provide the correct path for your debug.keystore file. Please check it in your file where it is and then provide path. Here I'm getting an error, key tool is not recognized because Java is not installed in my system. So I will go and install Java. After adding it to our environment variables, if we run this command, we need to provide the password that is Android. Then it gave me the SHA-1 fingerprint. So we will provide that fingerprint to our Firebase and then we will click on register app. Then you need to download this Google services.json file. Once it gets downloaded, you need to add this file in this folder, that is in your Android folder, in app folder besides src. Then you can click next. Then change it to Groovy. And then you need to copy these lines. You need to paste this line in our project level build.gradle. After pasting this, copy these dependencies and paste it in our app level build.gradle like this. And then click next. Then you can click on continue to console. Add this line multidex enable true. And then we can head over to authentication. Click on get started. Then Google. Then enable. Then we will give an email and then we will click on save. Now you can see Google and email password is enabled. Now we will go to our command prompt and check if we have Node and NPM already installed. If not, please go ahead and install it. After that, you can run this command npm install -g firebase -tools. Then go to your Visual Studio Code terminal and run this command firebase login. You need to provide some information here. So first you will enter Y and then it will redirect you to a web page where you can log into your account. After successful login, you can come back to your Visual Studio Code and run this command Firebase projects list. Then you will be able to see the projects that you already have in that account. Then you need to run this command dart pub global activate flutterfire _CLI. Now I'm getting an error unable to find git in your path. So you need to add git in your path as well. And then if you run the command, then it will run successfully. As you can see, here I'm getting this warning So I will be adding this path to my environment variables. We will go to our environment variables, click on path, edit, and then we will add a new one. We will click OK. That's how it's added in our environment variables. After we run this command, then it will run successfully without any warnings. Now we will run Flutterfire configure. Here you need to select the project name that you want to connect. So I will be selecting, and then here you need to press space or selecting or deselecting the platform and then enter. Then give an application ID for your Android application and then enter. Then it will connect and integrate your project to the Firebase. Now go to project settings and check. Now it's already there. As you can see, the name you have given, the ID you have given, it's here. Through this code, you can log in with your Google account that is already present in the Firebase. If it's not there, then you won't be able to log in. As you can see in this code, first we will do the authentication, sign in, and then as you can see, we will check if the user is a new user, then we will disconnect through the Google sign in and then sign out. If the condition is false, then we will go to else and it will navigate us to the home screen. This is the catch section where it will disconnect the account and sign out as well and show us Google sign in is failed. Please try again. It will also print the error in the debug console. This is forget password button and below that this is our login with Google button and here we are calling our function. This is forget password file. As you can see here, you will have a text field here and this is where we are calling this password reset function through elevated button. Now I will show a short demo of the app. This is how the app looks now. If we click on login with Google, then it will open this dialog box. Then if we click the account that is already present in the Firebase, then it will log in and navigate us to this home screen. And you can see a snack bar that shows you are logged in. And if you click on sign out, then you will navigate back to the login screen. If you click in login with Google again and try to log in with an account that is not present in the Firebase, then it will show this Google sign in failed. Please try again, because the account is not present in the Firebase. But if you try to log in with the account that is already present in the Firebase, then you will be navigated to the home screen with you are logged in. And that's it. You have successfully set up Google Login for your Android app using Firebase. Test it out and you will see how smooth it is to log in with Google. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.